And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Welcome back, everyone. Meteorologist Casey Dorn here in for Alex tonight. We broke records today here across southern Colorado thanks to downslope breezes. 72, the new record high in Pueblo. 68, your new record high in the Springs. That's against a previous high of 70 in Pueblo and 67 in the Springs. We've got clear skies right now and a fairly calm evening on tap. So right now we're at 48 in the Springs, winds out of the north at 14 miles an hour. This is going to be a good time if you've got any outdoor decorations or any other loose objects to bring those inside or secure them, because we're tracking very strong wind tomorrow. Lows tonight, they're going to drop into the upper 20s to lower 30s. And tomorrow, with those downslope breezes, we're going to once again warm into the 60s to lower 70s, which is about 20 degrees above average for this time of the year. Now, what's going to change tomorrow for us is a system to our north. Low pressure over the North Dakota, South Dakota region is going to push our jet stream south into Colorado. That is going to mix down to the surface and bring very strong wind gusts. These areas here shaded in red potentially could see hurricane force wind gusts at times tomorrow. So once again, very important to bring in any of your lightweight, loose items that could otherwise blow away. Now let's talk about futurecast here. Your morning commute isn't going to be particularly impacted. 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. we're still mainly seeing those gusts up in the higher mountains, now particularly breezy on I-25. Now let's push this forward to 2 p.m. Those winds are going to start to mix down. In the morning, we're going to have wave clouds in the sky, and those clouds tend to prevent mixing of the air. As those clouds go away in the early afternoon, those winds will better be able to mix down, and that's why the winds increase heading through the mid-afternoon hours. 30 to 50 mile per hour gusts for you between around 2 and 5 p.m. Then the winds increase even further heading into your PM commute. Here's 7 p.m. We're looking at 60 mile per hour gusts on I-25 in the Springs down toward Pueblo. I think we could even see some stronger gusts over Monument Hill. We'll also see our stronger gusts in Teller County. These are going to be the areas that see the strongest gusts, but it's going to be very windy for everyone. By around 10 p.m., we're still tracking 40 to 50 to in some cases 60 mile per hour gusts, but the jet stream begins to weaken and shift off further to the south and east. That's going to start to reduce the winds as we head into Thursday morning. So we'll have high wind warnings across southern Colorado for the I-25 corridor. They start at 2 p.m. Wednesday. They'll end at 3 a.m. on Thursday. And with this, we also have very dry air, so we will have red flag warnings in place. Those are from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. for all of southern Colorado. So when we have winds that are this strong, it's important to be very cautious when driving. Budget extra time, slow down, make sure both hands are on the steering wheel, secure any loose or light objects, and charge your devices, particularly if you are in an area with above ground power lines, because we could be seeing some power outages tomorrow with the winds this strong. And make sure, if you can, to avoid parking under trees, as we could see some branches breaking with winds at this strength. Now, as we put Futurecast here into motion, this is associated with a cold front. That's going to push its way into the area during the afternoon. Some snow across the northern mountains, which is very much needed. Not a ton of it, but a little bit. And then heading into the evening, that front moves across the area. That will cool your temperatures down briefly on Thursday, close to average for this time of the year. The normal high this time of the year in the Springs is 44. I've got you at 46 on Thursday. Then we warm straight back up. More downslope breezes return Friday and Saturday, back into the 60s, more above average temperatures, potentially more elevated fire danger. We'll keep you updated on that as we continue through the week. Pueblo down to 50 for you Thursday, straight back to 70 on Friday. That would tie your current record of 70 once again. And then we're in the 60s Saturday ahead of a cold front that'll once again knock us down into the 50s Sunday. But as you can see, the extended forecast remaining dry and well above average. Canyon City, dry for you as well over the next 7 days, with several breezy days all the way from Wednesday through Saturday. Each day will vary in terms of how breezy it is, but you can expect the breezes each day until we hit Sunday. Woodland Park, you're also going to stay dry, mainly cloudy for you on Friday. And then Sunday is looking fairly pleasant with light winds and a high of 51.